For today's edition of The Law and You, we have a very serious question involving a hit and run. Joining us are award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
All right, tough situation here for Rick Amuzik, to say the least. My neighbor's mom was struck and killed by a hit-and-run driver. It has been months and there is no arrest. We know the person who did the hit-and-run. What, if anything, can my neighbor do? Can anything be done here in this horrible situation?
Well, there's a couple things that need to be done. Obviously, if you have knowledge or information of what's occurred, you always have to reach out to law enforcement. Somebody's obviously investigating it, so you need to get that information to them. You also need to put on, you tell your neighbor he should probably get in touch with an attorney. He should have that attorney look at whatever insurance coverages are available for the person who was hit and killed. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah. We actually have a case that's been in the news a lot recently. The person has not been charged yet. They came to our office, and once somebody comes to our office, we have an obligation to make sure that we do everything we can to represent this family appropriately. So what we did, it's not a case of who did it. Everybody knows who did it. It's just when this person is going to be charged. So what we did is we got into court immediately. We asked the court to freeze this guy's assets. We asked for some discovery information so that we could immediately start protecting this family on the civil end. So there are some things that your neighbor can do, and I strongly encourage you to talk to your neighbor about going and getting somebody involved that has gone down this road before.
Because we also launched our own investigation.
Yeah.
We sent our private investigators out to start preserving that evidence, which is always critical in these situations, in conjunction with what law enforcement was doing.
Wow, all right, sounds like a very tough situation, and if you're ever in a position like that and you need the help of Greg and Ed, how can they reach you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT, or they could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
You were reaching into your pocket. I thought you were going to answer the hotline.
Kind of right.
You can go on our Facebook page and like us on our Facebook page. Post a question. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for having us, Dave.
PAHomepage.com, the way to get your question answered here on The Law and You.